on the boat. Water's pretty cold. You don't want to be in there. We do have some safety features on board. I actually have a question for all of you. Where are we visiting from? Are we local, out of the country, out of the continent? Let me hear it.
Local.
From where?
Oakville.
You're from Oakville, so local. Beautiful. Anyone else?
Germany.
1972, we introduced the Revitalization Act in the city, and that was a fancy way of saying we took all the stinky, polluting factories, gave them another bridge back. The arena was first being built back in 1989. That's when it's first opened. As you can tell, it's a very small airport. Its runway sits to be about 1 kilometer long. Noise pollution. Every about 5 to 10 years or so, a major vote is always put out to see if they should extend the airport, make the airport bigger, further, pay them a little lump sum. You can stay for the night about an hour as well here. Along the surrounding spaces, they shoo all the foreigners away. They scare them away, so they flock here instead. The nature conservationists on the islands try to keep them on this side of the island. So the there we go. Keep putting that way. Yeah. Keep turning, buddy. Keep turning. Great job, buddy. Good job. Wow.
Good, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Radio tower. The idea of the CN tower came up. There was actually a second way of getting up there. If you didn't